Today's question is square root of 21 plus square root of 14 plus square root of 7 over square root of 21 minus square root of 14 plus square root of 7 whole raised to power of 7. We need to find this value. Let's observe the inside numbers, which we have 21. 21 we can write in terms of 7, that is 7 times 3. Square root of 21 we can write as square root of 7 times square root of 3 plus, now the second number we have square root of 14, we can write in terms of 7, that is square root of 7 times square root of 2 plus square root of 7. So this is our numerator, and denominator also we converted in same like this. Square root of 21 we can write it as square root of 7 times square root of 3 minus square root of 14 also we can write it as square root of 7 times square root of 2 plus the third term is square root of 7. So each and every term has square root of 7. So let's take it as common. So if you take numerator, if you take square root of as common, then you are going to left square root of 3 plus square root of 2 plus 1 divided by a denominator also we have a square root as common. So let's take it as common. So you are left square root of 3 minus square root of 2 plus 1. Here square root of 7 and here square root of 7 gets cancelled. So we left only root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 over root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. Now write the positive terms on one side and negative minus root 2 in one side. At the top also we are going to convert like this. Root 3 plus 1 plus root 2. It is in the form of a minus b. So we have a minus b. So now we need to rationalize with a plus b. So our a value is root 3 plus 1 plus b value is root 2 over root 3 plus 1 plus root 2. Observe here we have root 3 plus 1 plus root 2. Here also root 3 plus 1 plus root 2. So after multiplying the numerators, then you will get root 3 plus 1 plus root 2 whole square, isn't it? Because these two terms are just like a times a, we can write this as a power 2. That is the numerator term. Now we are going to observe the denominator. We have a minus b and this is a plus b. So a minus b times a minus b, the formula is a square minus b square. So let's write that. So what we have, a plus this is a square minus b square root 3 whole square 1 square plus 2 root 3. This is root 3 plus 1 whole square term minus root 2 whole square. 2 and square root gets cancelled, you left only 2. And the first term here also square root and square gets cancelled, so you left only 3 plus 1 raised to power of 2 which is 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 2. 3 plus 1 which gives 4. 4 minus 2 which gives plus 2. So we are going to get 2 plus 2 root 3. Still we have whole raised to power of 7. But later we will do that whole raised to power of 7. Just keep it like that. We will do this numerator which we have root 3 plus 1 plus root 2 whole raised to power of 2. So here we have 3 terms. So a plus b plus c whole square, the formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. The first step is a square, that is root 3 whole square. So root 3 whole square which is nothing but only 3. So let's write 3 plus b square is 1 square which is 1 plus c square, that is root 2 whole square is nothing but 2 only, plus 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So the first 3 terms the value is 6, just write simply 6 plus the last term that is, which is 2 times, first is ab, that is root 3 times 1 which is root 3 plus the second term is bc, that is 1 times root 2 which is root 2 only. The third term we have ca, that is root 2 times root 3. This is our numerator value. Denominator we have 2 plus 2 root 3. At numerator and denominator, if you 2 take it as common, so then you are left with 3 plus root 3 plus root 2 plus root 2 times root 3. At denominator also, if you take 2 as common, so then you are left with 1 plus root 3. So we are cancelling these 2. At the numerator, each and every term we have a square root, except this 3. That's why I am converting this 3 in terms of root, that is root 3 times root 3 which gives 3 only. So here root 3 and here root 3 take it as common. So if you take root 3 in the first term take it as common, so you left only root 3 plus second term is only 1, we left only 1 plus here in these two terms we have root 2 and root 2. So let's take root 2 as common. So you're left with 1 plus root 3 over denominator we have 1 plus root 3. So now 1 plus root 3 take it as common. So you are left with root 3 plus root 2 divided by 1 plus root 3. So these two terms are cancelled. So you left only, after simplifying we got root 3 plus root 2. Still we need to do whole raised to the power of 7. Now let's do that. Instead of do directly 7, first we start with 2. So let's do whole raised to the power of 2. The value is 5 plus 2 root 6. So our goal is to find root 3 plus root 2 whole power 7. First we did with whole power 2. The value is 5 plus 2 root 6. Now again I am going to do whole power 2. That means if you do whole power 2 here, so we are going to get whole raised to the power of 4. So 5 plus 2 root 6 whole power 2, it is equal to the root 3 plus root 2 whole power 4. So let's do that. So 25 plus 24, which gives 49, plus 20 root 6. This is the value for root 3 plus root 4 whole power 4. Again I am doing whole power 2. If we do whole power 2, then we are going to get 8. So that means root 3 plus root 2 whole power 8 value. But our goal is to find 7. So after doing this square, I am going to divide by root 3 plus root 2. So after getting cancelled, then you will get whole power 7. 49 plus 20 root 6 whole power 2. Again I am going to do divide by root 3 plus root 2. Then only you get our whole raised to the power of 7. So let's find out this whole raised to the power of 2 value. Again it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square, that is 49 whole square. 49 whole square, the value is 2401 plus b square, that is 20 root 6 whole square. So 20 square, that is 400, root 6 whole square, that is 6. So 400 times 6, which is 2400, plus 2 times 49 times, that is 2ab, 20 root 6. After adding these two, then you will get 4801, plus after multiplying these all, then you will get 1960 root 6. So this is the value of the numerator. Still what we have to do? We have to do divided by root 3 plus root 2. Let's do that. So whenever square root at the denominator, we have to do rationalize. So here we have a plus, so you have to do with minus. The denominator, it is in the form of a plus b times a minus b. The formula is a square minus b square. So that is root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. So we get only 1. So the denominator converts into 1. So now you left only with the numerator. Open the brackets. Now here we have root 3 term, here we have root 3, and here we have root 2, here we have root 2. Let's first take root 3 term as common, and then you are left with 4801 minus 1960 times 2. After multiplying by 2, then this value is 3920. So now take it root 2 as common, minus 4801 plus, this is the root 2 term, right? So that is 1960 times 3, which is 5880. This 5880 minus 4801 will get 1079. This is the, after doing subtraction we get this. In the first term, 4801 minus 3920, then you will get 881. This is the result of this expression. Thank you for the watching.